In industrial manufacturing, ensuring a safe, clean workspace is a necessity. Introducing the Defender series of industrial downdraft tables by Clean Air Industries, your source capture solution for a cleaner and safer workspace. Defender Downdraft Tables offer a comprehensive and hands-free solution. These tables capture fumes and dust particles, ensuring that your workers are always breathing clean, contaminant-free air. The downdraft concept is simple. Contaminants are drawn downward into the table, away from a worker's breathing zone. The air is then filtered and returned directly into the workshop, keeping your facility clean and helping to preserve costly energy from heating or air conditioning. Proudly manufactured in the USA, our Defender Downdraft tables come in 3 standard sizes and are built to withstand demanding industrial environments with consistent high airflow, uniform face velocity, and best-in-class performance ranging from 4,200 to 9,000 cubic feet per minute of airflow. Maintenance is made easy with quick-release filter doors to simplify inspection, rotation, or replacement of cartridge filters. The internal filter cleaning system uses pulsed air to knock dust from the filter into a conveniently located dust drawer that is also easy to access and clean. Our tables also include a multi-stage spark arrest system, an exhaust silencer for enhanced noise reduction, and compliance with all OSHA guidelines. You can also customize your table with options like sidewalls, dividers, and LED lighting. Notice how the sidewalls contain spark and dust while helping to guide airflow directly into the table for maximum filtration efficiency. In educational settings, sidewalls with dividers and viewing windows allow multiple students to work at the same time, while offering a clear line of sight for instructors. In recent years, attracting and retaining talent in manufacturing has become highly competitive. Potential employees are expecting their health and safety to be a top priority. Make the investment and unleash the power of clean air with the Defender series of industrial downdraft tables by Clean Air Industries, your partner in air quality management. We invite you to discover all of our filtration products. Please visit our website or contact us for more information.